Hello everyone, welcome to our video on the Phoenix housing market 2013 year in review. This video is presented by your Metro Phoenix Realtors Ron, Christina, and Matt Wilczek. I am Ron Wilczek, the co-owner and broker of Metro Phoenix Homes. I've been keeping statistics on the Phoenix market for quite some time. I want to give you some perspective. First though, let's set some ground rules based on the Arizona Regional MLS. You see, the MLS has made vendor and technology changes over the years. For the purposes of this article, or in this case video, that means that data for the Phoenix housing market can only be tracked back to the year 2000. So what we're going to do today is we're going to look at the 2013 results and compare them to previous years for number of sales, dollar volume, average price, price per square foot, and just a general comparison of year-over-year trends. Let's start out with the number of sales. You'll see that the year 2013, highlighted in yellow, ended up with 85,085 sales. That puts it in 7th position when compared to the 14 previous years of this millennium. It's no surprise that during the real estate boom years of 2004 and 2005, that's where you're going to find the majority of the sales. What may be a little bit of surprise to some people that 2011 snuck in between the years 2004 and 5. The reason is that was the bottom of the market in terms of pricing. So not only did a lot of investors flock to Phoenix area, but a lot of first-time home buyers realized that was the best time to buy, and that's why we had so many sales. Looking further down the list, at the year 2007. Probably not much of a surprise there that it had one of the lowest sales years in the history of our recent market, and that's because that's when the foreclosures started to come in very heavily. A lot of intrepidation, a lot of concern, so people stopped buying, comparatively speaking. Next, let's have a look at dollar volume. That's the total amount of money spent on real estate during these years. So again, no surprise that year 2005 is the number one year with 31 billion 246 million in sales, because that was the height of the real estate boom. The same can be said for the year 2004. What we can find a bit interesting is that although the year 2013 came in 7th in overall sales, as indicated on the previous slide, it did come in 4th in total sales. And that's because the prices have been going up over the last 2 years. Another interesting point in this slide is that although there was only 74,106 sales in the calendar year 2006, you can see it came in number 2 in overall pricing, that is volume spent, because that was the year that the prices reached the very peak. Let's have a quick look at average price of a sale. 2007 came in number 1 in terms of the average price of a home sold during the year at $336,000. 2013 came in at $233,000, almost $100,000 difference. Two things I want to point out is that we already know 2006 was the peak pricing in the real estate market here, but there was fallout in 2007, so prices were still higher. But realistically, price per square foot is a much better indicator, and this slide proves it, because you'll notice that the average size of the home sold in 2007 was 1,929 square feet, which was almost 100 square feet bigger than 2006. So all things being equal, if both years had the same size home that was sold based on the price per square foot, 2007 would not have come in first place. We'll get to that in the next slide. Price per square foot. I think this is where the rubber meets the road. 2006 came in number 1. The just recently finished 2013 came in number 6. What you'll notice is that, again, peak pricing in the year 2006 at 182. Here's what I find interesting about this slide. The years 2005, 6, and 7 are all at the top, and we would expect that because of the real estate boom and the high prices. You'll see that after the foreclosures that happened in 7 and 8, prices dropped down considerably, and the lowest price per square foot were in the subsequent years of 2009, 10, and 11. Now that we've hit bottom, the foreclosures have dried up, you'll see that in 2012 and 13, the price per square foot is increasing again. Which brings us to our final slide, that is the year-over-year pricing. You can see it's a range from the calendar year 2000 up to 2013. You'll also see that as the millennium started out, prices were fairly consistent. We were having average appreciation. Then when 2004 and 5 hit with the real estate boom, it just skyrocketed. We know the bubble burst in 2007. Foreclosures started to mount. Prices started to drop. We hit the bottom in 2011. The foreclosures have dried up. Demand picked up. Homes sold a lot. The prices started to go up. And now in 2013 finished out at $118 per square foot. Just another bit of perspective here. If you take that $118 per square foot and see where it fits, you would see that it would be just about at the 2004 level if things had not gone crazy in the real estate boom. So that's where we were in 2013. We've been keeping track of statistics here for a good part of 6 years. Please visit our website. You can find us at either MetroPhoenixHomes.com. Metro Phoenix Homes is the name of our real estate brokerage. And the website we've had for years, since 2002, is ValleyWideHomes.com. So we do own both domain names. Find us at either place. When you get there, click on the link that says Phoenix Housing Market. We've got quite a few categories that go back many years. Get a feel for the real estate market. We offer this valuable information to our clients and friends for free. Enjoy. God bless. See you on the next video.